Closing a current account does not automatically delete your data, because financial apps usually keep transaction records for a period of time, even after you close the account for compliance and security reasons. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close your current account, what you need to do before closing it, and what can go wrong if you skip steps like withdrawing funds or canceling connected services. Start with the most important step people miss. You cannot close your current account if there is still money inside it or if there are pending transactions. That means you need to clear everything first, before the closure process will even work. Now go step by step. First, open the current app and check your balance. If there is money in your account, transfer it out to your external bank account or card-linked account. If there are pending deposits or holds, wait for them to fully process before trying to close anything. Next, cancel anything connected to the account. That includes direct deposits, recurring transfers, or subscriptions that pull money from current. If you skip this step, payments may fail after you close the account. Now go into Account Settings. Look for the Help or Support section inside the app. Most account closures are handled through customer support instead of a single delete account button. That means you typically have to submit a closure request or contact support directly through chat or email. Once the request is submitted, the account is reviewed. During this time, you may still see the account active until the closure is fully processed. Now explain what happens after closure. Once your account is closed, you generally lose access to the card, the account number, and any in-app features tied to it. Some records may still be visible in statements or exported data, depending on how the app handles financial records. Now explain common mistakes. The biggest mistake is closing the account before removing your money. The second mistake is forgetting subscriptions linked to the account, which can cause failed payments or service interruptions. Now give a simple checklist. Check balance and withdraw funds. Cancel direct deposits and recurring payments. Contact current support to request account closure. Confirm closure is completed before uninstalling the app. Now summarize the key points. You need a zero balance before closing a current account. Closure usually requires contacting support, not just tapping a button. Skipping connected payments can cause problems after closure. One practical next step. Open your current app right now and check for any active payments or subscriptions before starting the closure process. Like and subscribe for simple step-by-step fixes for banking apps without confusion or hidden steps.